I've got you, you know, I mean, you're how would I put it? If the big boys don't walk in there, I got a beautiful copy of you, and great sounded station there, 699. Yeah, all right, 7-3 to you. Take care, friend. Who is that? Just called me something about a big old radio or something. You don't need a big old radio, you just need a big old antenna. Yeah, I'm sorry, there's so many coming in at the same level. Try that again. Well, right now you're on top of the pile, so whatever you're on, mark that down as a positive. Did you say 36-inch antenna? Wow, that's impressive, brother. Doing a good job from where you're at. Yeah, yeah, mark that down as a plus and keep that on the chart. Nah, I think I lost you, brother. Anyway, conditions are rough on my end. My apologies. Anyway, we'll be listening for you.
I like the 35 Charles Meter station. I go off frequency there. You should come up a little bit. Anyway, you take care out there with the 35 channel. I'm talking now. Station 75574. I got the opportunity. Hey, Troy, you in there? She's at 9250. I want to go to 3500 there. CO5 3500 there, right?